If we're going to utilize all of our resources effectively, we're going to need to understand how our body can be used as a tool. It is one of our most fundamental resources. Perhaps one of the easiest ways to explore any kind of complex system like that is to understand it in terms of which operations are they doing. However, if one views the body as a complex tool and attempts such a categorization, one may find that the body, like many tools, operates under the laws of thermodynamics. Energy enters the system where it is stored. That energy is then used to do work under a certain efficiency percentage, and that work is used to accomplish stuff, sometimes wonderful stuff, sometimes wondrous things. For the sake of illustration, let's address the human pancreas, which is somewhere back here behind the stomach. The pancreas produces enzymes that help you to break down big molecules like fats and starches and sugars. How does it produce that enzyme? When new sugars and other chemicals enter the bloodstream through the food we eat, all of the organs that get blood, which is all of them, get different inputs, chemical inputs that allow them or begin them to do their work. That causes a kind of cascading signal that at the end of that particular chain, an enzyme is produced, a certain chemical that acts very efficiently to break down large molecules. When sugar enters the bloodstream, your pancreas uses that chemical input to begin a series of cascading reactions that act as a biomechanical tool. In that same line of reasoning, let's consider another tool, the heat gun. The heat gun uses electrical input to turn electricity into heat. Your pancreas uses chemical input to produce chemical work. Both have this kind of forward momentum. Sugar jumpstarts a chain of events that produces an enzyme. Electricity produces a series of reactions that produce heat. This generates the output. The output that can be predicted based off a series of definable and predictable procedures or operations under a certain efficiency. The efficiency percentage is simply a rate of energy transfer. How much energy did I put in? How much energy did I get out? If one was to put 100 units of energy, whether in sugar or in electricity, you would never get 100 units back out. You would get maybe 95 or 70, indicating an efficiency of 95% or 70%. Every tool, every operation operates under a certain efficiency percentage, obeying the laws of thermodynamics, meaning energy can't be created or destroyed. But you might be asking yourself, but Mr. Warden, we just watched you destroy some energy. Remember that 5%, that 30%? Where'd that go? Energy can't be created or destroyed, but it can be changed, which is really the nature of tools. We're changing one kind of energy, electricity, into another kind of energy, heat. In the pancreas, we're converting sugar into enzymes. We're converting sugar into some kind of chemical work that breaks down large molecules. And we do that so that we can get access to the extra chemicals that eating provides us, so that all of our organs can do their work with the signals they need from the foods we eat to keep us alive. Your body is a tool, and that's how it works.